we're going to attempt nettle crisps. Okay, so first step, we're going to add water to our nettles and then put salt in it and try get the bugs out. We put some water in, we're going to add some salt. You can already see some stuff floating about in the water. Some of the hairs of the nettles have actually already come out. A little bit. Right, pour some salt in. Oh. Alright, that should be it. Now we'll stir it again. Right, we just drained them. And yeah, I don't think there's any more things in it. We've got a chopping board and we're gonna roll all the spikes out. Here, you can hear it. I'm not sure if it's supposed to stick to the rolling pin. But I think we're supposed to just do this and just get rid of the spikes, but you can. So we've finally boiled them all. They're in the oven. I'm seasoning on like salt and pepper, and the nettle crisps are done. I'm gonna have this one. These have lots of salt and cinnamon. Wait, hear this crunch. Oh, gone. That one was spicy.